aka Relentless, aka your credit teacher. Business credit stacking, business credit cards. I'm your teacher. All right, so I'm going to the website, right? And let me see if I could get this a little smaller so I can get the whole page. And there we go. All right. So, okay. So this is the website. When you go in, guys, at the bottom of every page is the Ultimate Business Credit Genie, right? And I notice how a lot of you guys always come and ask me questions, but maybe you just want to talk to me in person, and that's all good. But all you need to do is go hit these three bars in the Credit Genie, and guess what? You can go in here and ask it anything you want, right? So let's start a new thread. Okay, see there, new thread. And then I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna ask it. I'm gonna say, mm-hmm, go new thread. Okay, new thread. Here it is. Come on, Credit Genie, work for me. There we go. I have a question. Oh, let me see something. Oh, it's not going. Okay. So first of all, I want you to see that there's a lot of other people that have asked questions, and if you go there, you'll see. Oh, here it is, new. You want to go. You want to go new. So I'm going to go in there again. Hit the three bars. Hit new. Now it asks a new question. What would you like to know about business credit? And simply, I can say, hey, I want to stack 1 million in business credit cards. Give me a blueprint. Boom. And you hit enter. And guess what, folks? It's going to populate and tell you exactly what to do. This is just one example, and it's going to continue to populate. Guys, you got to be smart and use this technology, because in real time, I can only answer so many questions. But a lot of times when you ask me a question, I'm going to go right to the Credit Genie, and I'm going to put the question in, and I'm going to pop out the answer. I'm going to copy it and paste it in a text message to you. That's not a service. It's just something I like to do for my clients, but also it efficiently answers the question. Establish your business entity, get an EIN, set up business credit profiles, apply for starter business credit cards, apply for mid-level cards, go to high limit cards, leverage financing offers, repeat steps 4 through 7. But guess what? It's giving like generic information here. We give you the juice and the sauce. If you read the articles, we're telling you guys, get you a trade line, and you can bypass all of those other steps. Steps 4, maybe 4 through 7. All right, that was it. I just want y'all to know the Business Credit Genie is there. Lock in on the blog, guys. The blog is serious. Today, I'm about to upload the latest blog. It's serious. I really went deep. Thinking about you guys. That's why I wrote this. All right, peace.